Hello everyone, I'll be discussing the IT sector review for the June 2013 quarter. The quarter gone by is a very good quarter for the IT sector, with most of the IT companies reported good set of number. Among the top 4 IT company, the performance was quite in line with our expectation as well as the street expectation. Though the polarization in the performance is still at large, with TCS and SCL continue to report good set of number and raising the performance bar with every passing quarter. But what was interesting to see for the quarter gone by is the good set of numbers from Infosys as well as from the Wipro, which has reported an inline performance. So what it indicate is that there is a marked improvement in the operating environment with a good performance coming in from the most of the IT company. Going forward, we see further improvement in the green shoot from the demand environment on the back of improvement in the macro data from the US region as well from some pocket from the Euro region also. There is a marked improvement in the macro data that is coming up. So there is a improvement in the green shoot in the demand environment, and most of the management of the IT companies are also advocating this fact that FY14 is going to be a better year than FY13. Third important point that is playing out for the IT sector is the weakness in the rupee. In the last 2 years, as a matter of fact, the rupee is almost appreciated more than 50% and now already breached the 67 mark, and there is a possibility that it's likely to weaken further with the weakness in the domestic macro data points. And what it will do for the IT sector is that it will play a very big role in the improvement in the margins and profitability for the IT sector going forward. So we see the weakness in the rupee is a big opportunity for the IT sector re-rating. Coming to the valuation and view, we continue to remain positive for the IT sector for the next 1 year, with the improvement in the operating environment and the weakness in the rupee is continue to play a big role in the re-rating for the IT sector in the medium term. On the stock pick front, we continue to remain positive on TCS and SCL Technology. Both are our top picks among the top 4 IT company. In the mid-cap space, our top picks are CMC and Persistent Technology. Thank you.